Okay, let's open it.
Parece que yo no soy hipócrita, marico, yo no puedo andar con esa huevona,
Wait. There you go. Don't you have a spare key?
Sorry?
Don't you have a spare key?
Yeah, at home.
Okay, if you want, I can. Is it push to start? Let me see what type of key you have.
This one.
Okay. If you pay $100 more, I can make you another key.
No, I got another one at home. Just I forgot.
Well, up to you. You know, you can save money to. If you want to buy a new key, it is gonna be expensive. You know,
Yeah.
but I am not going to charge for the open the door for you. I'm just going to charge a key for $225.
No. I just play the 120.
Yeah, no problem. You can
Oh,
just
right.
you can just go back. Yep. Perfect.